Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Gabby Angel and you are watching Gabby Angel Designs. If today is your first time watching our video, kindly subscribe so that anytime we upload any new video, you may also watch it. In this video, I am coming to teach you how to design a modern car flyer under 5 minutes. So this is the car that we are going to use. That's BMW. And this is the back view of the car. So now, let's start. Go to File, go to New. Let's create a custom size with 10 inches by 10 inches. Let's maintain our resolution to 300. After that, hit create. So now this is our artboard. So this is our artboard that we are about to use to create the design. So now guys, pick a rectangle tool. If you are sitting beside your computer, pick your rectangle tool. Let's create something here. Let's change the color to black. Fill it with black. Remove every stroke color. Yes. So now let's create something like this. So yes, here is it. So open this tab and pick the car. Put the car on your design. Transform it. Okay, let's take it like this. After that, click on the rectangle shape. Come and pick this car. Put it inside over here. After that, command Ctrl plus Alt plus G to create a clipping mask. So we are creating a clipping mask. Okay, we are creating a clipping mask over here. After that, hit Ctrl J. That's duplicate. After hitting the Ctrl J, drag the car below the other shape like this. So now, command Ctrl plus Shift plus U. That's desaturate. After desaturating the colors, take the opacity to, okay, let's take 25% and command OK. Let's pick 25% like this. Good. So after that, click on the layer that you have clipped inside the rectangle shape. Create layer mask. After that, pick your brush tool, or you can command B on your keyboard to choose your brush tool. Make sure that you have selected a default colors. You can click on D on your keyboard to switch to the default colors, and click on X to switch between the colors. So now let's create a layer mask and pick color black. Yeah, so let's fade under this car. Let's fade it a little bit. Let's fade something small over here. Also, let's click on this shape, create same layer mask. After that, pick your brush tool and make sure that you have been using the default colors, and also make sure that you have switched the colors to black color. So brush here. Alright, so now this is our car. So we are about to create this simple design over here. We are about to create this simple design. So let's take our text tool and write here best. Let's pick some colors from the car. So you can use the eyedropper tool to pick the colors inside the car like this and hit OK. So over here you have got our best car for sale. Let's duplicate one layer here by clicking and dragging and at the same time holding the Alt key. So now let's select all these layers. After that, hit Ctrl+G to group them. After grouping these layers, make sure that this place or your option bar is showing groups, not layers. Make sure that you have selected group but not layers, so that you can pick all the group. So now hit Ctrl+Shift and also drag this part like this. Let's drag this part like this. Let's increase the size over here a little bit like this. So best car for sale. Before we go, let's create something here. Select this shape I am talking about this rectangle shape. After selecting the rectangle shape, hit G on your keyboard to select the gradient tool, or choose gradient tool on your toolbar. After that, come to basic and select black and white. That's the default colors. After that, create a layer mask for the rectangle shape. After that, hold shift and drag like this. So let's see what will happen. So it will create something like this. It will create some little effect like this. Yes. So it will create something like this. That's very beautiful. So now, this is the design. Guys, this brought us to the end of these tutorials. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, comment, share, so that anytime you upload any new video, you may also watch it. Thank you once again. I go by the name Gabby Angel. Subscribe. Bye bye.